In this video, we're going to show how to withdraw money from Binance to bank account. Open up your Binance app and select P2P on your home screen. In here, select Sell. Now you need to choose which currency you want to receive by selecting one of the available currencies from the drop-down list. Next, you need to choose which cryptocurrency you want to sell by selecting from this drop-down menu. If your cryptocurrency isn't listed, it means it's not supported by P2P. In this case, you need to sell or convert the coin first. To convert your coins, go back to the home screen and select Convert. If you don't see this option, you might need to click the More button. When converting, simply choose the coin you want to convert from and select one of the currencies supported by P2P in Binance from the drop-down menu in the To selection. Select the amount you want to convert and proceed with the conversion. Once that's done, go back to the home screen and select P2P again. Now select Sell, choose the currency you want to receive and the cryptocurrency you just converted to. Now you just need to enter the amount you want to withdraw, proceed, and enter your bank details when prompted. Confirm the transaction and wait for the funds to arrive in your bank account. That's it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.